So this video is the first part of Usability 101. In this video, we are going to talk about what is usability. And the next video, we are going to talk about why is usability important and how to improve usability. So for this video, let's focus on what usability actually is, and I'll help you understand the definition between utility, usability, and usefulness. So usability is a quality attribute that assesses how easy user interfaces are to use. So in one of our earlier videos, we actually made it pretty clear that usability is a quality attribute of UI design. It's a subset of UX, and it's a quality attribute of user interface or visual design. The word usability also refers to methods for improving ease of use during the design process. So usability is defined by 5 quality components. One is learnability. How easy is it for users to accomplish basic tasks the first time they encounter the design? Second is efficiency. Once users have learned the design, how quickly can they perform tasks? Third is memorability. When users return to the design after a period of not using it, how easily can they reestablish their proficiency in use? Then we have errors. How many errors do users make? How severe are these errors, and how easily can they recover from these errors? And lastly is the satisfaction factor, which is how pleasant is it to use the design. These 5 quality components, they are used to define the metrics, and these are sort of the measurements using which you can help identify the usability of your product. If it's high on all of these accounts, then your product is very much usable. If it's not, then there is room for improvement. So these are the 5 quality attributes: learnability, efficiency, memorability, errors, and satisfaction. So usability and utility are equally important, and together determine whether something is useful. It matters little that something is easy if it's not what you want, right? So usability and utility are equally important, right? And together determine whether something is useful. It matters little that something is easy if it's not what you want, right? Utility is whether it provides the features you need. If you don't offer me the features I need, I don't care if how usable, how easy and pleasant those features are, because I don't care about them, because I don't need them. Vice versa. If you do offer the features I need, but they are not usable, they are not easy and pleasant to use, I won't use your product. So they need to go hand in hand. They are equally important. And that is the definition of usefulness. Usability plus utility makes usefulness. If either one is lacking, your product is not useful to me and I won't use it. And nowadays, with so many products in the market, if you cannot be useful for the user, you won't survive. So that's usability for you. In the next video, we are going to talk about why is usability important and how to improve usability in your products. I'll see you in that video. Thank you.